In this video, we're going to go over the structure and function of the common facial vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The common facial vein is located on each side of the head. If we take a closer look at the veins on the right lateral view of the head and neck, we can see the right common facial vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates and is formed by the union of the facial vein and the retromandibular vein. The facial vein can be seen here highlighted in green and the retromandibular vein in yellow. What is the course of this vein? This vein runs infero-posteriorly into the neck. This vein ends by merging with and draining into the internal jugular vein at the level of below the hyoid bone. The internal jugular vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow. What is the function of this vein? This vein primarily functions in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the face towards the neck on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the common facial vein.